The compact crossover segment continues its relentless expansion, with automakers trying to cover every possible niche. Toyota aims to attract downsizers and urban adventurers with the Yaris Cross, a slightly lifted and ruggedized version of the Yaris hatchback. But does this pint-sized SUV have the right blend of practicality, efficiency, and driving dynamics to stand out? The Yaris Cross shares much with its Yaris hatchback sibling, including the efficient 1.5-liter three-cylinder hybrid powertrain. With a combined 114 horsepower from the gas engine and electric motor, acceleration is decent for urban runabouts but pretty lethargic at highway speeds. The continuously variable transmission doesn't help matters, exacerbating the engine's droning at higher revs. However, the electrified grunt pays dividends at the pump, with the Yaris Cross returning an impressive 64 mpg combined in front-wheel drive form. All-wheel drive is available, but drops fuel economy to a still respectable 56 mpg. Either way, few crossovers can match the Toyota's frugality. While the hybrid system excels, the Yaris Cross suffers from a few unrefined qualities. The ride is quite firm, with patched pavement transmitting plenty of impacts inside. Road and wind noise are ever present at speed too. The light steering is commendably precise but devoid of feedback. Inside, the Yaris Cross boasts clean styling with user-friendly controls and good outward visibility. Decent space up front is complemented by a reasonably roomy rear seat and cargo area. However, the infotainment tech feels a bit dated, with small screens and sluggish responses on lower trims. Thoughtful accoutrements include standard driver assists like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. But you'll have to move up the trim ladder for niceties like heated seats, a larger touchscreen, and a premium audio system. On the value front, the Yaris Cross covers the basics well while delivering stellar fuel economy. But its firm ride, coarse engine sounds, and lack of personality may prove polarizing. Rivals like the Kia Soul, Hyundai Kona, and Mazda CX-30 could prove better all-around urban runabouts. For eco-conscious buyers on a budget, the Yaris Cross nails the brief as a frugal and functional city car. Just don't expect much driving verve or refinement in the package. As Toyota's most affordable hybrid crossover offering, it splits the difference between efficiency and SUV style, for better or worse.